Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Aida Zahira and I will present about the business executive summary. For the first part is about the business general overview. Our small business named as Promax Gadget will offer a variety of phone accessories. Promax Gadget small store located at the building of Tunku Puteri Intan Safina School of Accountancy TISA at University Utara Malaysia UUM. Our business offers three main products which are screen protector, USB cable and earphone. Promax Gadget will be conducted by 6 business partners that consist of university students, and we will open the store 4 days per week from Wednesday until Saturday. Next is about the objectives of business plan. First and foremost is we want to create the concrete goals for our business. Promax Gadget is aiming for an outstanding performance which can be achieved by setting the concrete goals. By presenting relevant information and actions needed in the business, the solid goals can be created because there is a socialization on what to do along with the business aspiration. Other than that, we want to ascertain the implementation of effective business strategy by monitoring the planned strategies with the actual results. This action will help in evaluating the efficiency of those strategies. Hence, our business will have the solid reference as a good guideline either to improve the strategy itself or take any corrective actions if needed. Move on to the next objective, which is we want to gauging our business performance. The preparation of this business plan will help our management team to assess the business performance by proper planning and good control all over the business activities. We could prepare a good evaluation procedure and also checking the effectiveness of business operations by preparing this business plan. Next, I will present about our business value. The main value of Promax Gadget is providing the top-notch quality and unique products to customers. Definitely, we want to provide the supreme quality of products and promotes the uniqueness by implementing the meticulous selection before we sell those phone accessories. Additionally, the value we consider is about rendering the great services to customers by implementing good interaction as we want to ensure their satisfaction. Good communication will be applied, hence it could encourage both customers and the business to be interactive along with the relationship. And the last business value is about prioritize customer satisfaction towards both product and services by strengthening the honest relationship. This could guarantee a good reputation for Promax Gadget by getting gratifying feedbacks from customers. We want to maintain the honest relationship with them when applying excellent communication, which could ensure their wishes and satisfaction.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank to Aida Zahira. And now with me, I am Norfarah Binti Mazri. I am going to present about business summary. The main purpose of Promax Gadget is to provide a high quality and unique with affordable price phone accessories for all classes of people who is using phone or smartphone in order to meet our customers' satisfaction. Apart from that, we ought to expose and attract more students to the field of business at University Utara Malaysia in order to inspire them to set up their own business. It will provide opportunities for those students who are interested in delving into business in gaining some experiences through the business, as these opportunities are not always available. Aside from that, the aim of our company is to foster the development of more successful young entrepreneurs in our country, as well as to assist youngsters in starting their own business if they have the desire and the potential to do so. This will lower our country's unemployment rate, allowing for the creation of new work opportunities. Now we're gonna look at the management team. Management team is to ensure the smooth functioning of the business. The following duties and responsibilities have been determined and will be allocated to the appropriate individual. First, General Manager, who is responsible for the organization's entire business operation. It also supervises the work of personnel who do specialized tasks such as accounting, administration, sales, and marketing. Also develops strategies to improve overall quality and productivity, and develop and implement business plan for profitability. Second, administrative manager, who supervise the administrative departments and staff members' day-to-day operations. Also recruiting, training, and evaluating personnel, also taking corrective action as needed. Besides, creating, reviewing, and refining administrative policies, procedures, and systems. Third, sales manager, the person who is responsible for leading sales team to reach sales target, and primarily tasked with setting quotas, evaluating and adjusting performance, and developing processes that drive sales. Next, financial manager, the person who is in charge of an organization's financial health. Also produce financial reports, direct investment operations, and formulates strategies and plans for their organization's long-term financial goals. Besides, record daily transactions. Besides that, marketing manager, who generate a pricing plan that maximize revenues and market shares while also taking customer satisfaction into account. Besides managing, coordinating, and directing marketing initiatives, as well as reviewing and maintaining a marketing strategy. Last but not least, operational manager, who manage overall operation and is accountable for the efficient and effective management of labor, productivity, quality assurance, and safety procedures. Besides, create, implement, and evaluate operational and policies procedures. Here is the organization chart of Promax Gadget. In Promax Gadget, we use an organizational structure-based function. This structure suits Promax Gadget as our organization emphasizes functional specialties to perform tasks. The organizational structure will cover all aspects of the management as a business entity. That's all from me, Norfarah. So now I'm going to pass to my next team member. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Jawan, number metric is 281254. I am from group H5. Now I'm going to continue present my part. Let's begin with market analysis summary. Promax Gadget is focused on phone accessory at University Utara Malaysia and through online platform. Our company's goal is provide a high quality phone accessory that meets customer needs. Since there are many competitors such as Varsity Mall in UUM and other sellers on Shopee, but we believe that our company can overcome them by providing a best service and products to our consumer. Next, I want to explain about market segmentation. Our main customer will be more focused on the College of Business (COB) student. This is a critical location for our company to operate our business. Because UUM is located in a small town, it is difficult for students to go out to buy the phone accessory when there are needs. Besides, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, digital payment can reduce cash flow and direct contact between the individual. This action can be decrease the case of COVID-19. So many customers choosing Shopee online. To enhance our sales, we also decide to use the online platforms such as Shopee, Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp to sell the same product. Generally, in today's era, everyone has a smartphone, which means that phone accessories have become requirement for everyone now, including the younger and older generation. In summary, those who use smartphone will require phone accessory, which is critical in our business. Let's move on to the SWOT analysis. Firstly, our company's strength is we have low cost of goods, which most of our stock is import from China. Besides, we also have a low setup cost because there are not many supplies or equipment needs to start a firm. so the start-out cost will be minimized. With reduces start-out cost, the company will be more profitable. Secondly, our weakness is unstable sales. This is because it is impossible that the more students' phone screen protector will be bought frequently in the short term. Furthermore, many students will go back to their hometown during the mid-semester and semester break. It means we cannot control our sales. The next weakness is the customer needs cannot be fully fulfilled because there are too many different phone models. Thirdly, our opportunity is we will offer students discount on our accessory. Another opportunity is we also focus on online shopping market. Last, the threat of the company is exchange rate and delivery. As I mentioned before, the majority products are import from the China, so the exchange rate will be affect the cost of the goods on a basic. Furthermore, loss caused by the long distance shipping may increase our price. In summary, our revenue will be affected from this change. Now I'd like to turn to the market needs part, specifically market needs related with 5 P's. The first P is product. The USB cable, screen protector, and earphone are the main product for Promax Gadget. We will ensure that the product is a high quality and meets the customer needs. Second P is the price. The price of our product are reasonable and affordable. This is because the target client are all university students who are not financially self-sufficient. Third P is the price. We sell the phone accessory in design building and through the online channel. The next P is promotion. We planning to do the lucky draw, student discount, advertising, and so on. The last P is people. We strive to provide an excellent customer service to guarantee that our customer have a good experience. That's all for my part. Thank you for your listening. I will pass the presentation to my next member, Norfarah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Norfarah and Rusli, matric number 281094 from Group H5. I will be presenting strategy and implementation summary. For the first session is marketing strategy. Marketing strategy help business in achieving their goals and objectives. It is important for a new business to plan their marketing strategy carefully. At Promax Gadget, we implement a popular framework that is known as 4P: product, price, place, and promotion. Next, as our business focus on 3 main products, that is USB, screen protector, and earphone, we at Promax Gadget strive to provide a fast and efficient services by receive the information on model and type of customer smartphone. It is to ensure that the compatibility of the item and the order are complete on time. Next, we explain the function, uniqueness, different of each item, and offer install service for screen protector. Other than that, we ensure that all product has a guarantee and using a high quality material. As the aspiration of our company is to provide a low cost, high quality product, the pricing for the item we offer in Promax Gadget are set following a consensus among all group members, taking into account the cost of the product as well as the affordability of the intended customer. We sell USB for RM8, screen protector for RM10, and earphone for RM20. Other than that, Promax Gadgets market the product through online social media via Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Shopee. Besides, we will start to sell the product physically at Tisa Building when COVID-19 situation is under control. Promotion is the key element that is necessary to a new company to enter the market. There are 3 main purposes of promotion in our business. That is urgent demand. Its use are to increase the sales during the product life cycle. Second is offer the detail of the product. Customer and consumer must first understand the nature of the good in order to desire it. Lastly, differentiate a product. This is especially crucial in market where there are several competitors. There are a few promotions that Promax Gadget plan to implement virtually and physically. There is first, create poster that will provide potential customer information including the product we sell, the uniqueness of our product and the price chart for each product. Next is advertisement on Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp by regularly post the detail of the product in our social media page and also in newsfeed that consists of students and staff of Northern University of Malaysia. We also design and distribute the flyer to potential customer. Other than that, we will have seasonal discount, for example, buy one, free one, or special discount on specific day. Lastly, we plan to offer lucky draw to our customer according to terms and conditions. The next session is sales forecast. Company can make accurate business decision and foresee short and long-term performance with sales forecasting prediction. Promo Gadget sales forecast is calculated quarterly. The expected sale for first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter of the product is 740 units, 966 units, 1,265 units and 1,664 units respectively. In addition, sales strategy that Promote Gadget we use include target the right customer, selling our product at a very fair and cheap price, promote our product through online platform, ensure that our product is easily accessible through offline and online platform, and lastly, design and distribute the flyer to any potential customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. My name is Mohd bin Muhammad Tamizi. My metric number is 280863. Today I will present about the financial budget, which is operational budget and financial budget, and I will be focused on the operational budget. First, we will talk about the CVP analysis, which in this slide we will talk about the BEP analysis. First is the cost that occur in the month. We got the selling price for the USB is RM8. Selling price for the screen protector is RM10 and selling price for the earphone is RM20. For the estimated sales is for the USB is 200 units, for the screen protector is 250 unit and for the earphone is 300 unit. Meanwhile, the variable expense that occur is purchase cost, which for the USB is RM2.50, for the screen protector is RM5 and lastly for the earphone is RM10. Meanwhile, for the fixed expense that occur in that month is rental RM50, utilities RM30 and lastly is salaries RM240. Move to the sales mix. The net operating that we got before the BEP is RM5,030, which we got from the sales 10,100 minus the variable expense 4,750 equals to contribution margin, which we got the 5,350 minus the fixed expense, which is RM320 that we get net operating 5,030. The sales mix that we got is 15.84% USB contribute to the net to the sales. For the selling for the screen protector is 24.75% and for the earphone is 59.41%. We move to the sales mix at the BEP. Now we got that our net operating on the BEP is RM604.11. Why we know that it is on the BEP? When we sales minus the variable expense RM284.11, we got RM320 and we minus our fixed expense with RM320, we got a zero net operating. That show that our sales mix is at the BEP point. The sales mix for the USB is the BEP sales is RM95.70. For the screen protector is RM149.53 and for the earphone is RM358.88. We move to the targeted profit earned. For the USB, our company targeted for RM1,500. For the screen protector is RM2,500 and for the earphone is RM3,000. We use the formula that says equals to variable expense plus fixed expense plus profit. We got our unit for the SP is 330 units. For the screen protector is 564 units and the earphone is 332 units. Now we move to the margin safety. So we use the formula that says minus our BEP point, BEP price. So we got for the USB and screen protector is 94%, and we got for our earphone is 88%. Their margin safety. Now we move to the operational budget. First is the sales budget. For the first quarter, we got total budgeted sales is 10,100 ringgit. For the next quarter is 30,332 ringgit, 17,344 ringgit, and lastly is 22,806 ringgit and 80 cents, which total up for 63,470 ringgit and 80 cents for the year. The policy is for the sales for USB increase for 30% from previous month, and for screen protector and earphone, the sale increase from 40% and 30% from previous month. Next is for the purchase budget. The total budgeted purchase for the first quarter is 4,750 ringgit. For the next three quarter is 6,250 ringgit, 8,240 ringgit, and lastly 10,885 ringgit, which total up to 30,125 ringgit in a year. The policy is 10% of the current inventory should be kept as the ending inventory for the USB, and for the screen protector is 20% and earphone is 30%. Next, we move to the selling and administrative budget, which our total variable expense is 75 ringgit for the first quarter, and for the next three quarter is 98 ringgit, 128 ringgit 50 cent, and 169 ringgit and 7 cent for the last quarter. Our fixed expense is 320 ringgit for the every quarter. The total selling and administrative expense is 395 ringgit for the first quarter, and for the next three quarter is 480 ringgit, 448 ringgit 50 cent, and lastly 489 ringgit and 7 cent. Lastly, for the income statement, we got for the first quarter is 4,955 ringgit for the income, and for the next quarter is 6,552 ringgit, 8,655 ringgit 50 cent, and lastly 11,432 ringgit and 73 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Norfarah Qayyum, Binti Suhaili. My metric number is 280853 and I'm from group H5. I will present about financial plan, specifically about financial budget. Next, cash payment. Inventory purchases are on credit and be paid in the current month. So, every transaction for the purchase, we always pay it on the time. And the total budgeted cash payment for the ended year 2022 is RM 31,875 ringgit and 57 cents. Next, cash payment. Inventory purchases are on credit and be paid in the current month. So, every transaction for the purchase, we always pay it on the time. And the total budgeted cash payment for the ended year 2022 is RM 31,875 ringgit and 57 cents. Cash budget. The formula of cash budget is cash receipt minus cash payment. For the first quarter, there is no beginning cash balance, and the ending cash balance for the first quarter will become the beginning cash balance for the second quarter. It will repeat for the third and fourth quarter. Ending cash balance for the ended year of 2022 is RM 33,395 ringgit and 23 cents, which is we got from the ending cash balance fourth quarter. Cash flow. Cash flow is look like cash budget, but the formula is cash receipt minus cash disbursement. It is same as cash budget, which we got the ending cash balance for the ended year of 2022 is RM 33,395 ringgit and 23 cents. Balance sheet. The formula of balance sheet is total assets must be the same amount with total liabilities and owner's equity. That shows the statement is balanced. The balance amount of balance sheet in our business is RM34,395.23. Now I will talk about ratio. Liquidity ratio. Formula of current ratio is current asset over current liabilities. Our business has RM33.40 in current asset for every RM1 in current liabilities. Now, activity ratio. Formula of fixed asset turnover is net sales over average fixed asset. Pro Max Gadget, our business generated RM63.47 in sales for every RM1 in net fixed assets. Leverage ratio. Formula of debt ratio is total liabilities over total assets. The higher the debt ratio, the more leverage a company is, implying greater financial risk. Debt ratio for this business is 0.03. This is relatively low and implies that this business will be able to pay it. Lastly, about ratio. Profitable ratio. Formula of profit margin is net income over sales. Our business, Pro Max Gadget, have net income of 50 cents for every RM1 of the sales.